What's up, guys? How's it going? MikeTheTech here, and today we've got a very cool one for you. This is a small package, but it is a very expensive and cool package, if I do say so myself. Before we get started, a huge shout out to Geeks Outfit. This is the No Internet hoodie. I absolutely love this. Geeks Outfit sent quite a few options out to me. You can find clothing like this that appeals to all of your gaming and tech interest at geeksoutfit.com. All right, so what do we have in here? We're gonna... Oh, that was easy. It was like really difficult at first, and then it was really easy after. But we're gonna go ahead and see what's inside. Oh yes, look at this. This is the LP5200M. This is a 2 terabyte portable solid state drive with 2000 megabit per second or megabyte per second read speed and 1800 megabyte per second write speed. You can see there we have a 3-year warranty. We could take a look at the back here. Actually, let's go ahead and peel this plastic off because it's a little bit hard to see. All right, here we go. So you can see here it is a portable solid state drive, and it is 2 terabytes. That is insane for a drive that's essentially very, very small and meant to plug into your phone or other devices. But we're going to take a look at this. They do have 512 gigabyte, 1 terabyte, 2 terabyte options for this. So shout out to Digiera for sending me the 2 terabyte version. I can definitely use the space, especially fast space like this. That is very cool of them. And this thing is like super densely packed. I'm gonna try and loosen it up a little bit here so I can get it out of the packaging because it is not wanting to come out. There we go. All right, now it's coming out. All right, so the first thing we get in the box is a backing for your phone. So it does have a MagSafe connector here. Let's go ahead and take this out. So you can simply 3M tape this to the back of your phone. My phone already has a MagSafe adapter, so I don't need that. But if you didn't have a MagSafe on, you can go ahead and just 3M this to the back of your phone or case. We have the manual here, which shows that it can be connected to your phone or other devices. This would be good for not just your phone, but even like a Steam Deck or something like that. 2 terabytes of on-demand space. You could just kind of like plug it in. And look how small and sleek this is. This is an M.2 drive inside of this enclosure. This is not a standard USB drive that you would find. This is actually an M.2 drive. So let's go ahead and peel this plastic off here. Ooh, that is so nice. And you can kind of see the Digiera logo in there. I'm sure it'll light up once I actually plug it in, but man, that is clean. I could see myself in the reflection from my screen. That's insane. Okay, so then we have the USB-C on the bottom, and then in the back we can see the capacity and the model number and all that. Now if we get a phone here and just plug it in right there, you can see that it just kind of snaps on. Very, very strongly snaps on, by the way, because this is MagSafe, so you don't got to worry about that going anywhere. And then inside the case we also have our cable here, so I can go ahead and plug this into the back of the device and then plug this into the bottom. And you can see that the logo does light up, and we now have 2 terabytes of extra space on this phone. How cool is that? Just one cable, 2 terabytes of space. Absolutely amazing. Huge shout out to Digiera for sending this over. I'm going to do some speed tests on it and a full review once I've had a chance to actually play around with it and see how it goes. But yeah, Digiera, shout out. This is amazing. A USB-C external M.2 drive with a drive already inside that connects through MagSafe. That's a winner. For example, if we put this MagSafe adapter on the back of our Steam Deck and then plug this on to the back, that would just sit there and it would work perfectly, and we could just plug it in whenever we needed to and then pop it off when we don't need it. And it's such a thin adapter that it's not going to interfere with any cases or anything like that. So absolutely a beast of a little device here. 2 terabytes of M2 speed storage. You can't lose. All right, that's it for this one. Thank you so much for watching, and have a good day. Peace.